Okay, so I thought I'd just do a little bit more on this video and do a little bit of a video to show how to add. So I've already added two lots of questions. So it was what is the, and that's this is the beauty when I open it up to add a label. So when I hover over it, it tells me what it is, and then that one is what type of bead is being used. So those are both multiple choice questions. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to add a couple more multiple choice questions, and I'm going to have a play around using the drag and drop and stuff like that, because I can't remember how to do that. And while I'm learning, it makes good sense for you to see it on the video as well. So I'm going to start the video just after those questions, and then I'll stop it in a minute.
What we need to do now is go and knock the plaster up. You're back in a short while. It's all big and wet and plastering, so just get a little brush, wet the box down. We'll use two, like the way I label the parking stuff up while working. Wet both sides of the trowel as well. So, just waiting for a bit of gear to come on the labourer. This side of the day. In the meantime, we'll be a bit of...
So I'm going to put a question in there. So I'm going to copy that and put it in the label, because again, if you put it in the label, you can search that. So is this a safe act to do? Maybe I don't want a true or false, do I? Let's change the question then to okay, so this is a dangerous thing to do. I'm going to copy that and just replace that in there as well. Control and V, and obviously true. So I'm going to click done, and that means I can go straight back to the video. At the bottom you could have clicked save and return to course and save and display, but that takes you back into Moodle, and a bit difficult to do. So if I start playing, I tell you what I didn't do. I didn't choose to pause the video, I don't think, did I? So I'm going to edit it, because you can stop that now, and while I'm still in there I can edit it. So I'm going to go in there and pause video. It's important that you click that, because you don't want the learner to go past that point, if you remember. So once I've done that and click done, it'll take me back to there, and if we just go before the video, before the question, and let that run, hopefully that will pause the video and then ask the question. Okay, I'm just going to edit it again, because I didn't put a question mark on there, and we don't want them picking up me English skills, do we? So let's get that on there. Click done, and then let's get back to the video.
What you don't want to do is sitting on top of the ball. So what I tend to do, if I'm getting my service, I run it over a little bit, just takes the surface water out. That's where the fast one slide off the ball to lift it off. Because I'm right-handed, I always start on the left-hand side of the ceiling or the wall. Obviously, if you're left-handed, you're starting right. The motion is bring it back on yourself. I'll start that way, come over there. Obviously, if you're left-handed, you're coming back on yourself as well like that. If I'm right-handed, I'll start there, over, back down, over. Keep the trowel as flat as possible to the ceiling, or to the wall, of course. If you're too open, what you're going to do is drag the plaster off. So nice and tight. I'm using an 18-inch Marshall trowel, steel trowel.
So I'm gonna try something a bit different now.
As sharp as possible, and that just comes with years of use. It's as sharp as a knife, basically.
Don't know which one to try.
Be careful when you clean off, make sure you keep your fingers away from it, because it will come off. And if you need to wipe your whole flat, both areas. Right, I think that gear's in now. So look. Put that gears on. Lovely. You got that, Chloe? Buckets on, mate. It's pretty heavy. 24 grains of paper plaster in there. About 15 litres of water, I suppose. It's hard to go with the water, but about half a bucket of water to a full bag of plaster is what you need. We'll get a trowel, I'll show you the consistency.
Okay, so there's another multiple choice question there, because obviously he's just mentioned the water content, and I think that the manufacturer's instructions don't actually say 15 litres, I think he said, or half a bucket. There is obviously specific guidance. I think, if I remember rightly, it's 11.5 meters. So I'm just going to check on water content for multi-finish. So it's 11.5 litres of water. So it actually states that on the back of the bag of the plaster. So the question I'm going to put in there is, what is the actual manufacturer's guidance on the amount of water to a 25 kg bag? Okay, because obviously what he's actually telling them on there on that video is incorrect. So I'm going to copy that and stick it in the label as before, Control and V. So we're going to put 15 litres, and that's because he mentioned it in the video, so that they might think that's correct. We'll put 11.5 litres. And obviously make sure you click correct. I'm just going back to the top because I forgot to pause the video, so I've just done that again. As you use this more and more, you'll get to see how it works. So I'm going to click add option again because I want a few extra things. I'll put half a bucket and one more option, as much as it needs. Okay, better put capital there again, and I'm happy with that, so I'm going to click done. So then you can see there as it's added that. So if I just go back a little bit and we click play, and there we go, it's fit. So now this video, we're only three minutes 45 seconds in, and we've stopped the video on four occasions. So if you carry on doing that, that's quite a powerful tool for the learners, because they're going to have to listen to what's going on in that video to move it forward.
So consistency for your first coat, it's about right for me, that is. You can go a little bit thicker, but that'll be perfect. Right.
So I'm going to stop here again. So straight away, I'm going to put in there, and we'll do it right this time, pause video. What piece of PPE should he, what piece of missing PPE is the most vital for this task? Okay, so again, question mark. I'm going to copy that. Copy. I'll copy Control and V to put it in the label. I'm going to put high vis. I'm going to put boots. Add an option. Safety glasses. And that's the correct answer. And click add option. Now I'm just going to go back to the question, which is the most. So I'm just going to put most. In capitals, because it's really important, isn't it? So I'm going to capitals and bold that to highlight that obviously those 4 items are all vital parts of PPE, but what is the most vital for that particular task? And hopefully they will pick up that it's obviously the fact that the goggles. So I'm just going to delete that and Control and V. And again, we're going to click done, and away we go. So now there's 5 in less than 4 minutes, just over 4 minutes, and we'll carry that through in a minute. And I'll come back and do another video on adding maybe a drag and drop or something like that. But that's enough for now. Thank you.